Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure it is unlocked and has network access, because some changes sync. Once ready, go straight to the home screen where the unwanted Google tab sits. Long press the tab itself. If that does not respond, long press an empty spot on the home screen to reveal home settings and widgets. You do this because Android and launchers place the Google tab as a widget or app layer, and those long press gestures expose removal or settings controls. Once the removal UI appears, drag the Google tab to remove or tap delete. This instantly clears it from the home screen. If the option is grayed out, make sure to open Home Settings or the specific launcher settings, because some launchers lock widgets. Alternatively, go to Settings app's Google Disable or Force Stop. Be careful, disabling the Google app affects voice and assistant features. You do this to permanently prevent the tab from reappearing, without deleting your account. To finish, restart your phone and inspect the home screen. This confirms the change persisted and clears transient states. If the Google tab comes back, make sure you did not miss a launcher setting. Set a different launcher temporarily, or reset home preferences in Settings apps to remove forced defaults. As a final tip, uninstalling Google app updates or clearing app data can stop re-adding, but be mindful. That resets search settings and may require reconfiguration of assistant features.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.